Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft, and we got a project here today. But before we get going, I gotta wish all the mothers out there happy Mother's Day, especially to my mother-in-law and my stepmother. Unfortunately, my mother passed away a year ago, so we don't have her this Mother's Day. But for all you other mothers out there, my wife, my daughter, and all these great mothers out there, have a great Mother's Day. West Michigan, we're looking at mid-60s today, and next week 80 degrees. We've not had this weather in a long time. Now, we haven't got any leaves yet here. If some of you followed my saga last year, we had the gypsy moths come through here, and they wiped out all of our leaves and killed a lot of our trees. A lot of our oaks died around here, and it doesn't look good for a lot of our pines. So in about the last 19 months, I started figuring we've only had 2 months of green foliage out here. We don't get our leaves. It's all oaks for the most part. We don't get our leaves out here until Memorial Day weekend. And our oaks haven't even budded yet. You could probably see that. I don't know if you can see it in some of the camera shots here, but hopefully we don't have that problem again. I haven't been to the sawmill for a while because in the next few weeks we're getting ready for a wedding. My son's getting married June 11th, so it's pretty cool. We're excited about that. So I've been working on projects that's kept me away from this, and we're hoping those gypsy moths don't make it back, because last year by the second week of June the gypsy moths were everywhere, the caterpillars, and death of caterpillars were 3-4 inches at the base of all the trees. So we started taping up our trees. We don't want them for the wedding. But anyhow, before I get cutting on this, this is a white pine. We'll talk about this in a second, what we're doing with this. I gotta thank Andy Dudley, I think is how you say his name, from Global Solutions in the UK, and my friend Nick Garton from Everyday with Me Nick. If you haven't checked out his channel, check it out. He's got a really cool channel. He just got over the 1,000 subscriber mark. He's really doing some cool things with his channel. He shows, he's got an OS27, the same one I have. And he's cutting a bunch of boards with it, but he's also doing a lot of different things. He's got a little mini digger, he calls it, an excavator. He does a lot of work with that. He's building an addition on a building right now. And yeah, check out his channel. But I got to thank them, those two, because you would think when you'd get a sawmill from a company, you pay a lot of money, you'd think they would send you a hat. Well, Andy and Nick sent me this Norwood hat. Andy is I believe the UK distributor for the Frontier sawmills and the Norwood sawmills, so I appreciate it. And I'll wear this thing proudly. I wish I could have worn it today. It's pretty warm today to wear it, but in Michigan, you never know. I might be wearing it in 3 or 4 days. So thanks again, guys. Appreciate it. So we're going to get started on this. This is a white pine. It's 11 inches on the big end, 8 inches on the small end. What I need is I need a 5.5 inch. I need 2 of them. Basically store-bought 6x6s is what I need. 8 foot long. And this is 10 foot long. So this would be perfect. So I need 2 of those. So I got a bunch more pine over there, and I'm going to get this started. So let's get this sawmill fired up. I'm all locked in. Log stops are we're at 8, so I can go all the way down to 8 without hitting them log stops. I don't have a super sharp blade on this, so we'll see how it does. There's a few knots in this. I'll just go slow. Like I said, I just need some 5x5, so we'll see how it goes. If I have to change it, I'll change it. I bent my log camp. It was 100% my fault. These log right cants are strong, and I was rolling a log off the trailer the other day, and we've all done it. You start, and it gets away from you, and I couldn't release it. As the log went over, so did the cant, and the log rolled down it like it was a ramp. I guess it exceeded the weight limit. If you have any good ideas how to straighten this out, let me know. I was thinking about putting it in between two trees and leaning on it with the tractor. I believe it's aluminum. I don't think aluminum has the tensile or the spring, what's the word for I'm looking for, but anyhow, I don't think aluminum springs back like steel does, but if this was steel, this would be pretty heavy. So I'm pretty sure it's aluminum. Let me know, you think I could do that? I guess I really have no choice. It's still functional, but it's kind of in an awkward position now. Dang it. I think it's their 60-inch. Yeah, probably their 60-inch. So let me know. How can I straighten that? Hey guys, that's gonna do it for this video. My switch went out. My switch for the throttle went out. It's, what kind of switch is it? It's a double pull, double throw. So basically it's a reverse polarity switch. And I got power to it and I'm not getting anything across. I checked it with an ohm meter. I checked for voltage, nothing. So I'm gonna have to replace the switch. I'll show you what I have here. Let's take a look. So this is my throttle, and I'm just not getting anything coming out. But that's what the inside looks like if anybody wanted to see it. So, I still could use the throttle that comes with it, the hand throttle, but it kind of defeats the purpose of having an auto throttle and auto feed. So I'm just gonna put a new switch in and finish this log up. All right guys, well, thank you for watching. Thank you for coming along. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will get this switch fixed here shortly. And you guys have a great Mother's Day. Take care.